Hey kids, 1 year, 1 million here, showing you my daily results. Today is Monday, 14th of December, and the time is 14:33, which is 2:33 p.m. Budapest time, Central Europe. So yeah, it's still the afternoon hours. As you look outside, you can see it's a pretty dark day, but we already have the Christmas lights hung up, done by my girlfriend. So the Christmas spirit is here. Dark, ugly ass day outside, but it's a beautiful, gorgeous, always sunny day in here because why? We're trading with Mohini Trade. Mohini Trade is a trading robot for Forex, and I fell in love with it last week. As I mentioned, today is Monday, so this is my 6th day of trading. And my previous 5 days, so technically last week, convinced me that I have to make a YouTube channel and start sharing my results with the world so people hear about this wonderful trading robot. Before I show you my trades and go into details, let me show you my history, my previous history so far. So I'm going to start from the very beginning. So technically, on the 2nd of December, I put $1,000 on my broker's account. On the 3rd, I also put another 1,000. So technically, I started out with 2,000 US dollars. And about the software you're looking at, it is MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader for iPad, I guess. The actual trading doesn't take place here. I have a setup. It takes place far away. I have a setup on a VPS, a virtual private server, where I just have a virtual desktop, and the actual version of MetaTrader with the Mohini trading bot runs there. As you can see, I'm not much of a PC guy. I have Macs all over the place and iPads and Apple. Can you tell I have Apple stocks? Anyways, long story short, this is just an investor account running on the iPad's MetaTrader app. An investor account means that I'm not able to open or close positions either on purpose or by accident here. So what I can do is I can just view. So I can take a look at what's actually happening at the bot real time. It's very similar to myfxbook.com, except it runs on an iPad. It also runs on the iPhone, so when I go someplace, I can take it with me and I can actually take a look at what's happening. And I can just, fiddle with it without even the possibility of accidentally closing or opening a bad position or even a good one. So let's see my results for 7th of December. That's when I started trading, and a little bit, just a couple of details more about my trading setups. I set up my trading robot that it starts trading automatically on every weekday from 9:30 a.m. and it stops trading automatically at every weekday on 2200 hours, which is 10 p.m. So 9:30 a.m. to 10 p.m. Technically, that's a little less than what you can trade on Forex trading days, but I tend to trade even less than that because I like to close my positions. So I'm not going to go into too many details, but we're going to rush through. You can see the color coding is pretty obvious that the blue ones mean that they are profit. The red ones means they're losses. And usually these losses, I don't want to talk too much about these losses, but I need to explain some things. The losses usually occur when I fuck something up, like I leave in some positions by the end of the day, and they just linger throughout the night, and sometimes the market changes by the morning or whatever, or I think I closed this one by accident. Nevertheless, you can see that it's mostly blue, little amounts. There's an 1148, which is considered to be a big one. There's a 1998 or 8. And yeah, I had some positions stuck here. Like you can see, there's like 7 different items. This is interest I paid to my broker for 7 positions that got stuck overnight. But nevertheless, the robot closed them successfully the next day, and even one of them could pay for the total of, it's about like $15.60 some cents. So what you need to take care of or pay attention to is that everything's blue here. Everything's blue, just a few little red stuff. So yeah, and those are my mistakes too. Now this is kind of curious. This, the 1814, oh, that one, and these two were the end of a Friday. So it was last Friday when I closed these positions at 5 o'clock. Where does it say? Oh yeah, 5:05, 5:05. Oops. 5:05, and even the big one. So it's approximately 22 some dollars. But I had to close these positions because they were close to the end of the day. It was Friday evening, and I had to leave my home, had to go away, and I just didn't want these things to linger throughout the weekend, because what if the market changes so much during the weekend that Monday morning come, I find these positions to be like, I don't know, $900 in minus. Who knows, right? So anyways, I think my calmness and my peace of mind is worth a lot more than $22. So I closed these manually, kind of like swallowing this little $22 plus loss. Nevertheless, in my first few days, actually it's 5.5 days because it's already the afternoon hours, this is how much Mohini Trade made me, $697.41. So if we just take a look at today's action, what was happening today, today's trade, it's all blue so far. You can see these are kind of smaller numbers, but so far it's $37.76 US dollars. Out of the $2,000, well, actually no, it's $2,640. I believe that's how much it was this morning. Yeah, this is just today's balance. I'm going to show you my current trades. I have 3 positions open, just a tiny bit in the red, but they always start out in the red and then they kind of turn into the blue. And the Mohini Trade, the robot, just closes them when it knows when. I don't know when, man. I don't know fucking Forex. But anyways, here you can see that I'm trading with 2 instruments. Actually, also here it's a dead giveaway. It's DAX 30 and a DJI, the Dow Jones Index 30. And you can see here, this is the DAX 30 chart. But these are the 2 instruments that I find the easiest to set up. And I highly recommend you play with these in the demo version of Mohini Trade. And I hope you'll have success with these 2. Somehow I just can't get the gold or the silver trading right, even in the demo. So as long as I don't have it super sharp, I'm not going to go live with those. But I'm working on those as well. And once I have these like perfect, even these I'm working on, but once I have these super perfect, I'm going to upload these settings to Mohini Trade's set market. Mohini has a beautiful set market where you can upload your sets and you download them, you just implement them. And of course, I highly recommend that you test them in your demo before you go into your live account. But right now, you know, these seem to be working fine. 2047, which is 8:47 p.m. in the evening. You can see I no longer have an open position, so the trade is closed for me. Normally I'd be trading till 2200 hours, which is 10 o'clock, 10 p.m. But I like to close it before that, and I'll show you my daily results. As you can see, it's all blue, not one red, nothing red. It's a lot of little smart little deal. And the total balance at the end of the day is $78.81 US dollars. 78.81. And of course, there's no red because I didn't have to quit any positions. I didn't have to close any positions while it was still not ripe. So my total balance for the end of the day is $2,722.79. So with this, technically, I am in a very, very good standing. So if I take a look at my history for the whole month, then you can see that, oops, what did I do? Okay. Take a look at, yes, the whole month. Then you can tell I have a pretty long list of trades, and my initial deposit of $2,000 with a little bit of a loss. and I have $2,722.79. So it's technically $722 profit within 6 days off of the capital of $2,000. That's not bad for 6 days of robot trading with Mohini Trade. That's it. That's it for the day, people. I'm going to hit the hay with the old lady. We're going to watch some movies in our movie home theater room. And see you guys tomorrow.